Well, it is Sunday afternoon and I am in the office. It's going to be a busy week for our law firm, both in New Jersey and Pennsylvania. Put up a lot of article regarding jury instructions and as they relate to President Trump's appellate rights. It's what I believe one of the core arguments he's going to have on appeal. In addition, they're probably going to appeal virtually everything that they possibly can. But if I had to put if a person were to ask me what are the top issues that I believe that they will appeal, will be the possible venue. The change of venue was denied, and I think that's going to be a huge issue on appeal. The jury instructions, and also with regards to the testimony that was introduced during the course of the trial, I believe that will be very much a court issue of the appeal. Now, the point of the article wasn't to be political. It was simply to lay out the appellate process in New York State. And I'm not licensed in New York State, but I wanted to, as I always do through my blog articles, educate people on the law and just show comparisons to issues that we deal with in our office every day. Now, the issue of jury instructions, I've written a couple articles on that issue. It's something that we're going to hear a lot about moving forward in this case. And really, jury instructions are something that are not talked about a lot at all. And most times, people who are going to trial have no idea about jury instructions, but they are critical because really that is where the jury is told how they are to interpret both the facts of the case and the law. And when it comes to a jury trial, again, we're dealing obviously with 12 men and women who aren't lawyers in most situations. They're certainly not judges. Now, they can be lawyers on a jury, but again, they're being asked to work with 12 people to come to a decision. And really, they're confined to those instructions, and they're not going to be able to, as an attorney would do, research the law and kind of introduce other arguments. So you're confined to those instructions, and really those instructions are critical because they can really determine the case. And that's really going to be one of the issues that I believe that President Trump's attorneys will present on appeal. A lot was made of them, and people don't realize that jury instructions prior to trial and even after the trial is over and following closing arguments, the judge will ask the attorneys for what type of instructions they would like the judge to consider to present to the jury. Ultimately, it's the judge's decision, and that really why it becomes an appellate issue. But really, I'm sure there was some very aggressive arguing on both sides as to what instructions were permitted. There are general instructions with regards to reasonable doubt, circumstantial evidence, the credibility of witnesses, false statements, things of that nature, but there's also more specific instructions that go according to the case, and really those instructions can be modified and really added to and subtracted to, and kind of there's a lot of wiggle room there. So in most situations, judges will ask, and in virtually every trial, attorneys will offer some type of proposed jury instructions, and those issues will be decided before the judge out of the jury's presence, so they won't even know that occurs. So again, if you are going to trial, these are things that you need to understand that your attorney should be explaining to you, things like jury instructions and really the elements of the offense. Obviously, it's most important. What the state, in the case of New Jersey, or the Commonwealth must establish beyond a reasonable doubt. So again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambleandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there. At this point, we have over well over 1,000 blogs, over 600 videos, instructional books. We provide a lot at our law firm at no cost, because we want you to understand your case. We believe that an educated client is in the best possible position to receive a great result. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Sunday, have a great week, and I'll talk to you all very soon.